Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Judy at Lock Willow Farm, Chapter 12, Class 5 in English History book. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start. Now, A. Complete the sentences with a character word. First, Judy loved the old farm. Second, the farm is on a hill. Third, the burns were burned by lightning. Four, there were hired people at the farm. Three people. Five, there was conversation during the supper. 6. Judy's room is marked by a cross. 7. Judy found a daddy long legs on her letter. 8. Everybody listened sleepily to the sermon. D. Match the following Adams with their meanings, then make sentences with Adams. Adams meanings. First, actions speak louder than word. F. It is better to act than speak about something. 2. At the drop of a hat. G. Willingness to the somethings right away. 3. Come hell or high water. A. Possible obstacles in your way. 4. Piece of cake. B. Very easily done. 5. Slap on the wrist. C. A light punishment like a scolding. 6. Spill the beans. D. Tell a secret. 7. Taste of your medicine. Answer E. When someone receives the same bad treatment that they gave somebody else. Okay, student? I have done some question in book. After that, question answer in notebook. Chapter 12. Judy at Lock Willow Farm. Answer the question. First, describe the farm. Answer. The farm is old on a hill and has a square house with a veranda and a porch. Second, a kind flash of lightning came from heaven and burned them down. Why does Judy call the lightning kind? Answer. Because it burned down the buns that obstructed the view. Third, why does Judy say that everything the said was funny? Answer. Because she has never been in the country before and her questions are backed an all-inclusive ignorance. 4. What does Judy plan to do on the table in her room? Answer. Write a novel. 5. Why did Judy leave the letter unwritten in her room? Answer. To pick some blackberries for supper. 6. What did Judy do with the insect she found on the sheet of paper? Answer. She picked it up gently by one leg and dropped it out of the window. 7. What was the sound Judy heard in the church? Answer. The buzzing of locusts in the trees outside. 8. Why did Judy find Buttercup's behavior shocking? Answer. Because Buttercups got drunk from eating too many apples. C. Things and answer. Reference to context. A. This is heavenly spot. First, who says this and to whom? Answer. Judy says this to Daddy Longlegs. Second, what is the spot? Answer. The farm. Third, why does the speaker call it heavenly? Answer. Because it's a beautiful and peaceful place. B. I can't wait till delighted to explore. Who is I? Judy. Second, what does the speaker want to explore? Answer the form. Third, give one word that means the same as can't wait. Answer impatient. See, it grabs me to tell you that Buttercup. Answer who is Buttercup. First, who is Buttercup? Answer the spotted cow with one horn. Second, who is you? Daddy long legs. Third, why is the speaker grieved? Answer because Buttercup got drunk. Second, the picture doesn't really do it justice. What picture is Judy talking about? Answer a picture of the farm. 3. Why does Judy not hurt Daddy Longlegs? Answer because they remind her of Daddy Longlegs. 4. If this book should ever room box its ears and send it home, can a book roam? What do you think these sentences means? Answer no, it is a figurative expression. It means that if the book is lost, it should be returned home. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.